Bro, is this a server kit? Oh, I'm lagging. Yeah, pretty much lagging. Okay, there's a server kit for you. There's two of them. Yeah, we did. Let's go to the one. Let's see, okay? Okay. I'm not gonna go in, okay? I'm not gonna go in. Okay. Pogo stick. My beautiful, trusty pogo stick. Okay, let's go in. Skala boom. See ya! Whee, bonk. Damn. Nah, you look cool. It's for you. Yeah, the hell for real, bro. Yeah, this is server kit. Yeah, this is a server kit. What you looking at, boy? Excellent. Oh, my PC. Bro, not my PC, actually my phone. Oh, why? Hello. No. Oh shit, no, bro. Am I stuck? Oh no, we're stuck. Okay. I'm not stuck. I'm not sitting in that chair. Oh my what the hell? I'm lagging so badly, bro. Because I'm recording. Yeah, pretty much. If I didn't record, I'm just gonna be like bro, a tattoo? Are you serious? Yeah, skin does not look like that. What a saying. Let's try to get on actually the rat. Are you serious, bro? Oh, you shit. Oh, yeah. I'm on a one. Let's go. Okay, that's not my bro. That's not my bro. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's just go back. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's red, bro. Read. Oh. Okay. Blah. Chicken. Let's sell it. Chicken. Sell it. Chicken. Oh, you want it? Nah, I'm running, bro. I'm falling off. Bro, just fall, bro. No way, bro. His name is like BG. Let's check. What is actual profile? Okay, let's see. Are you serious, bro? Like that? Nah, it must be tripping. For real. Okay, guys, this video. Bye bye, guys. Bye.